You was on YouTube. This is the Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode. Today we're gonna talk about this VGR V290. Allahu here, Allahu. He asked me to make a comparison between this one and my favorite. Yeah, so now stay tuned. So here we are again. This is VGR V290 and got a T blade. It's not a T wide blade with LCD display, on and off switch with a turbo, charging time 1.5 hours, operating time 120 minutes. It's not bad. Okay, so let's open it up, and as usual, this one aside. What we got inside? Charging cable, and it's a USB Type C. 1, 2, 3 guards, and a little brush. So lastly, we got a manual. So this is the trimmer. The blade is with logo, which is very good. See that? And nothing really special. It's small also. Okay, the LCD display is big, which is it's okay. And a USB Type C, the best, So let's turn it on. No, wait, is it zero gapped? So you can see if maybe it's zero gapped or not. So it depends on individual, So let's turn it on, man. And before we turn it on, we are, I guess, around 200 subscribers away from a giveaway. So when we get to 1,000 subscribers, then we're gonna make the giveaway, And for those who doesn't really know, subscribe to my YouTube channel and take a screenshot of your subscription and send it to my Instagram. And if you don't do that, you will not be participating on it. Don't forget, screenshot, send it to my Instagram of the screenshot, and with your name on it, write your name, so I will know that it's you. If not, your name will not be included. Okay, so now let's turn it on. Okay, this is the first speed. And the second speed, got 2 speed, Now it's on turbo, which is good, So see that? And wall T-white blade doesn't fit, but you can change the cutting blade, you know. So, and now the comparison. You know, this one is much more heavier, you know, and this one a little bit lighter, maybe because it's a little bit smaller. I don't know if maybe it's a, yeah. This one feels like metal, and this one, I don't know, it doesn't feel like metal. And this one, it's metal and metal, which is good, you know. You feel it, Allahu. So this one is really a cheap one, so you cannot compare this one and this one together. I'm sorry to say, you know, if maybe you are planning to buy this one, you can buy, it's okay, but don't ever compare this VGR V290 with this Kemi 1973, you know, never. This one got more power than this one, you know. Yeah. So, and I also got this one again. I bought it again. The one I bought before, you know, I did the unboxing. It wasn't with logo. This one is with logo now. You see that? And here also with logo, which is good. You need to press it long. Now it's 6,000 RPM, 6,500 RPM, and 7,000 RPM, you know. So, wait a moment, let me check the RPM. So, first speed. Now second speed. It's not bad. First speed is 6,000, second speed is 6,500, which is good. And peace out, man.
Okona,